So here is the room. Let's move on to the room tour. So I booked a twin room, so you can see they have two separate single beds, which you can see, and they have nice decoration around the room. They have a nice patterned carpet. There's a wooden headboard there, and it's got quite a nice view outside. We have a TV on the left, a desk here which has a telephone. That's the remote for the television. They have also provided a box of tissues, and we have a kettle there with free complimentary water and a variety of coffees and teas. They have a bin there at the bottom. Now let's have a look at the view from outside. So quite a nice view. Not that it's that important, but you can just see the street in front of the hotel, and you can see it's quite busy at the moment, but it gets a lot busier later on. So this is the view from the hotel room, and let's have a look at the room again. So we have a side table there, and they have some nice side lamps there too, and also we have another side table here. The good thing is they have UK sockets, which you can see just here. So you don't have to use an adapter if you're from the UK. You can just plug your items directly into the wall. And again, on the other side, I did notice actually they have some, I think it was some kind of graffiti on the wall, if you can see that. So there was some graffiti there which hadn't been cleaned off. Generally, the room is, I would say it's quite good for the amount that you're paying. Obviously, it's not perfect. You know, there was some graffiti there, and I think the furniture is a little bit old. Here we have the mini fridge. What's nice about this room is they have a sticker which tells you the direction of the Kaaba, so you know exactly which way you need to be praying. And let's have a look at the wardrobe space. So there is a large wardrobe here with plenty of space for your suitcase. They've also included hangers there if you want to hang your clothes. And there's also a safe there at the bottom too. And then just another kind of shelf here on the side if you want to put more things there. Now let's have a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom is quite decent. It's almost like a wet room. So it's quite easy if you're doing wuzu. If there's any water that goes on the floor, it just dries quite easily. And there's the shower place there. The bathroom has one of those water jets, which is quite typical for bathrooms in Saudi Arabia. They gave plenty of shower gel and soap, and this is the shower head. So leave your comments on what you think of this room. That's everything for this room tour, and I'm going to show you just more of what's included in this hotel.